Big news. China will pump Cardano up to $5,000.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Charles Hoskinson, CEO of the IOHC company behind Cardano, denied the involvement of his project in the activities of a group of individuals promoting their financial services using images and the Cardano logo. The head of the marketing department of the Hashkey Hub, Mo Li, shared a photo from a conference hosted by the Chinese edition of 8BTC. It shows a group of people with a banner promoting Cardano. According to her, the advertisement is aimed at wealthy elderly farmers from China, but in reality they are being offered to invest in a pyramid scheme. She added that against the background of this advertisement, Cardano came in 6th place by market capitalization in the rating of cryptocurrencies. Hoskinson replied that his company and he personally had nothing to do with what was happening and suggested that scammers were behind it. He also asked Li to provide more information, to which she sent the video. The video supposedly shows a presentation of the Cardano project using Hoskinson's photo on the stand. He also asked Li not to jump to conclusions about the involvement of his project in what is happening in the photo and video, since scammers also use any other cryptocurrency from the top 10 for their own purposes. Hoskinson added that he will contact the Hashkey Hub and clarify whether they consider Li's statements to be the company's position. Recall that at the end of last week, IOHK, in cooperation with the Wave Financial Fund, formed a fund with a capital of $20,000. The Cardano Basho update, described by co-founder Charles Hoskinson in a video blog earlier this year, is in full swing. One of the announced changes was an increase in the block size from 72 kilobytes to 80 kilobytes, which will take place on February 4, 2022. Hong Kong I/O made this announcement this week on Twitter, also announcing that memory enhancements will be implemented for Plutus, the Cardano smart contract scripting language. Both of these improvements are part of Cardano's massive ambitions. IOHK wants to provide additional resources to improve the user experience of decentralized applications. The firm claims that the network is designed to competently manage high loads and will be closely monitored for at least 5 days after new changes are made, but it is also warned about peak loads during expected application launches and significant NFT declines. What does a larger block size mean? In a nutshell, this means an increase in the amount of data for one block in the blockchain. Theoretically, this allows you to add more transactions to a single block, increasing transaction throughput. The Cardano blockchain has recently faced a high workload in its NFT, JPG.store market. Transactions were not executed due to a peak load of more than 92%. SundaeSwap was the first dApp launched on the Cardano blockchain. He also had teething problems when users could not exchange tokens due to network congestion. According to the CEO of SundaeSwap, Matan Motivaf, this problem was subsequently solved. Currently, the total cost of SundaeSwap is blocked for more than $68 million. Other notable Cardano improvements included in the Basho scaling plan are improvements in processing the withdrawal of unspent transactions, the allocation of bets, and the distribution of real bets. There are also off-chain improvements in the work, including the introduction of side chains. A sidechain is a blockchain connected to the main blockchain via a bridge that allows tokens to be used from one chain to another and returned to the main chain. Cardano dApps are checked for integrity to reduce the concerns of unscrupulous parties. Other dApps being developed include MintSwap and Cardano Lend, which are a Cardano-based credit solution designed to provide dApps with a flexible second tier, similar to Ethereum's second-tier solutions. Alonso's hard fork was a turning point for Cardano. This was the reason for the Plutus smart contract platform, which paved the way for NFT, dApps and DeFi on the network. Recently, Input-Output announced important updates that will increase the Cardano block size by 11%. The main network development team has also planned to increase the amount of memory for its smart contract platform, Plutus. Cardano developers continue to increase network bandwidth by announcing the next update of 2 key parameters on Twitter. The command will increase the block size by another 8 kilobytes, increasing it from 72 kilobytes to 80 kilobytes. The adjustment represents an increase of approximately 11% and is a much-needed optimization, as increasing the Cardano block size will allow more transactions to be added to new blocks. Combining more transactions into one block ultimately means processing more transactions per second. In addition to the block size, Cardano developers will increase the number of Plutus script memory units per transaction from the current 12.5 million to 14 million. Plutus scripts are code snippets used by Cardano to validate actions. It is expected that increasing the memory block settings will allow the development of more complex Plutus scenarios, allowing existing scenarios to handle more data elements. These two improvements go hand in hand, as in combination they will help to increase network throughput. Both adjustments are scheduled for this Friday at 21:44 Greenwich Mean Time. Together, they are expected to provide additional resources for Plutus scripts to improve the dApp user experience, the team concluded, noting the end effect. Anticipating an increase in traffic, the team began implementing changes aimed at increasing Cardano's bandwidth a few months ago. IOHK has chosen a methodical and gradual approach, planning a series of small adjustments aimed at improving the scalability and compatibility of the network. The network has faced annoying congestion issues following the deployment of major dApps applications, and improving network speed and bandwidth is critical as the Cardano ecosystem continues to grow. According to the Cardano developers, constant monitoring of real-world performance and the cumulative impact of parameter changes is an important part of the optimization process. The live Cardano price today is $1 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $985 million. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 4.6% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.